Hi YouTube, so this is my wife's new Bronco. Sorry it's been a long time since I've had a good upload, but been a lot of things going on. Now the shop is actually up, built, we're able to work in it. But this is what we're gonna work on right now. So my wife's been looking for one of these Broncos for about 12 years, 10, 12 years, something like that. She was able to finally find one and she wants to be able to drive it around quite a bit. So, looking at it now. So this is what she has to work with right now. Just bone stock factory 302. And what we're gonna end up doing with it is we're gonna put some fuel injection on it. So what we're gonna use is all this Holley stuff. We're actually gonna use the fuel pump that was in my Nova. It's way overkill for her car, but it'll work out okay. It's the 450 liter per hour in-tank retrofit pump. Did have to order something to get it longer to fit into her Bronco gas tank. Went with the 2-barrel Holley Sniper on this one. And with hers, we're gonna do everything with the Sniper Hyperspark system. So distributor, CD box, fuel lines, coil, everything. And for all you Ford guys too, whenever you order this Sniper one, the distributor gear that's on this is a cast gear. So that's something to definitely take under consideration whenever you're ordering it. So if you have like a roller cam, you're gonna need to order a different distributor gear for it. Even though it says steel, it is a cast gear on the bottom of the distributor. So that's basically everything that we've got going on right now. Gonna be putting a few videos up, gonna work on this a little bit today, see where we can get with it. And that's pretty much it. So if you want to see the Bronco and everything that we're doing with it, like, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you.